Yo producers, what's up? In this video I'm about to show you how you can create some dope guitar melodies for Lil Baby. So stay with me for the full video and I'm about to show you where you can get this full loop and you can make a beat from this loop. As you can see, I'm here in FL Studio, and the guitar that I'm about to use is from Omnisphere. It's called Glorious Steel, and I'm about to show you how it sounds. It sounds super dope for me. Now I'm about to show you and explain you everything that I'm doing here and how you can make some of these fire melodies. Okay, I think I'm about to start from B. I already made the beat, but I'm about to show you from scratch how I made this melody. Okay, so start maybe with the B. Just find some root note. It doesn't have to be B. Just start maybe C, D, whatever you want to use. And now I'm about to use something faster. Like I'm going up the higher notes and a little bit faster to make it like a really melodic and fast. Something like this. So maybe like this, and I'm about to go like here. Now let's hear how this will sound. So as you can see, I'm only using steps. I don't use any chords here. Okay, this sounds already super dope. I think I can produce right now for a Lil Baby, but let's see. Okay, now about to maybe put some higher note here, maybe E. Now let's hear this one. Already sounds super fire. Now I'm about to copy this and just paste it here. So we made like a 2-bar loop. And now just follow me. This is really important, and this can help you improve your loops and all basically your sounds. So now copy again everything here and paste it here on the last 2 bars. Now I'm about to drag this B4 for a one note up, so it's gonna be C5. And now we are going to hear totally different vibe from this melody. So you heard how this C5 changed the whole vibe of the melody. Now what you can do is to like change a few notes here just to make it like a little bit different. So now let's maybe use something here very simple. Now I want to add some a little higher notes here. I think this is gonna sound super dope, so I added a little higher notes here, like those ones, and I think I'm going to give them a little bit volume up, and that's it for these notes here. So now, as you can see, this one G5 to F sharp 7 and to E sounds very good, and it became like a super dope melody. So now I'm about to show you the full melody from this one. And now you can see the difference. Now for the effects, I didn't use any effects here, but you can use maybe something like chorus. I think I got some here, maybe pretty chorus, or just like I use any. I'm about to maybe use this stock plugin. Now again, you can use, of course, EQ just to fix those frequencies here. Maybe cut a little bit of lower frequencies. Now, as I said, you can use any of your favorite VSTs. I maybe can add. I think this is very good for me. I don't need any effects here, and the loop is pretty much done. Now you can export the loop like this. Just export it real quick. Okay, drag the loop into your playlist, and that's it. Now I have drums here. Drums are very simple. I'm about to show you right now. So as you can see, I have open heads, which are very simple. Snare, counter snares here. This one clap, very simple, just like a simple clap. Hi-hats are a little bit different, but they are like just very simple. And kick is very easy, as you can see. And edit is same as the kick pattern. So now let's hear the loop. Maybe we can pitch it up or pitch it down as you like. I always like it to like pitch it down a little bit, like this one, 140. Now let's hear the beat. Okay, I'm about to just drag this here and let's just put these drums here and let's hear the beat with this melody. Now let's hear it. So as you can see, loop is super fire. Beat is very easy, very simple, just like a Lil Baby's beat. As you can see, it's really very easy, very simple. Melody sounds super dope. As I said, you can use any of your favorite VSTs that you are usually using for your melodies, but this one is really big drip here, and this can like be super dope melody for placements and for basically everything. As you can see, melody is very easy, nothing too much. Now you can add some counter sounds here as you like, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. If you have anything to tell me, feel free to ask me in the comments below. And for the loop, I will upload this loop in the Discord. It's gonna be in a loop section, a loop chat room, and make sure to join Discord. I will put the link in the description, and that's it. Get this loop and make the beat. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you next video. Bye.